How to fix unable to install update on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like unable to install update on iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the settings from your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to ensure that you have the stable internet connection or not. So for that, you'll have to open the Wi-Fi or cellular data. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just tap on the option general. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option data and time. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the data and time section, make sure that you have turned on this feature like set automatically. So you have to turn on this, and after you turn on this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section, you'll have to swipe off, and from here tap on iPhone storage. Okay, so from the iPhone storage section, make sure that you have the enough space to install update on your iPhone. So after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here, and from the general section, you'll have to scroll down and go the option transfer or reset iPhone. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here tap on reset. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to tap on reset all settings. So after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem like unable to install update on your iPhone. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.